At a jury trial held from June 22nd through 25th of 2015, Jerome was acquitted of malice murder, but found guilty of felony murder predicated on cruelty to children in the second degree. He was subsequently sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. Senator Jones advised Jerome not to testify at trial, then called no witnesses on Jerome's behalf, but a video of Jerome's entire police custodial interview with investigator Langford was played throughout trial, with portions being replayed during closing arguments and jury deliberations. During their trial testimonies, Dr. Renuka Mehta repeatedly testified to her belief that Cadence was the victim of shaken baby syndrome, despite no evidence or confirmation from the medical examiner supporting her claim. Dr. Laura Darasaw testified that she performed Cadence's autopsy and confirmed 14 rib fractures, most in stages of healing ranging from 10 to 21 days old. Dr. Darasaw also stated Cadence had an injury to the tip of her tongue and 4 impact sites to her head that had fresh bleeding. Although Dr. Darasaw could not say exactly how Cadence's injuries were inflicted, she suggested the injury to Cadence's mouth was the result of Cadence allegedly biting down on her tongue as she was smothered by either a pillow or hand covering her mouth and nose. Dr. Darasaw went on to imply the trauma to Cadence's head was caused by someone hitting her head or possibly slamming it into a firm mattress. Lastly, Dr. Darasaw stated Cadence's rib fractures could have only been caused by someone forcibly squeezing Cadence's chest. When asked what Cadence's tongue injury would have looked like on February 20th so that the jury could understand why no one saw the injury before, Senator Jones allowed Dr. Darasaw to speculate that EMS and doctors were in a panic due to the chaotic scene of trying to rescue an unresponsive child. However, first responders testified as expert witnesses in court, and they all stated the scene was oddly calm upon their arrival at the Hughes home. Dr. Darasaw rejected the possibility that Cadence's tongue injury could have occurred during several attempts to place a breathing tube in Cadence's mouth, despite paramedic William Holstein having no record or recollection of whether he used the correct size breathing tube and his own admission to having to make an adjustment to the tube's placement in Cadence's mouth.